Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the video is going to be about a planner that I have bought for 2021. So if you are new, hi, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, and it will be a great honor for me. So yeah, please do subscribe. So yeah, let's get started. So this is how the planner looks like. It is a 5-year planner or journal to get a glance of your life. How has it changed or evolved throughout these 5 years, and you are able to look back what you have achieved during the past 5 years. So it's really a great idea to create this journal. I'm really happy that I got my hands on this. It retails for rupees 799, that is around 800 rupees, and you will receive a personalized thank you card by Mridul, and which is signed by herself. That's really sweet of her. It takes so much time to sign all cards personally. It is her passion towards her customers. So yeah, and you will get a bookmark in this book or journal. So this is how the first page looks like. It's a January 1st, and each day you will get a quotation or question you have to answer. Where do you want to be in the next 5 years? What made you smile today? Like, you have to enter whatever you feel that day and just answer to the question. It will be easy to fill in the questions like that, and that's so thoughtful idea about this journal. Like you are saying, so these are the questions you should answer every day until up to 5 years, so that you can look back and check how you have evolved to the planner or in your life and what you have achieved. And as I said, you will get a bookmark like this, and it is so stiff, don't worry. So totally you will get 365 pages, I think. So yeah, this is the Instagram page and WhatsApp numbers regarding all the stuff in this. So next, this is the 2021 planner which I have bought for this year especially, and you will get a styler with this styler pen. With this, with a styler you can operate your phone, mobile like that, and laptops and all. So yeah, so when you open that, again you will get a customized thank you card, specialized thank you card, which is signed by Mridul again with her own hands. And you will get a pocket here to keep any photos or important cards in this. And you will get 4 sheets of stickers which you can stick to your diaries or mobiles, laptops and all. And you can also use the stickers in the planner itself, like you are seeing. So these are the stickers. They look so beautiful and nice. So these are the 4 sheets of stickers. So let's move on to the next page. In the next page, you will see the planner belongs to 2021 planners belong to. I have written my name here. So this has so many quotations that are inspiring, and the next they have given the credits to all the work behind it, to the persons behind it. This is a beautiful planner, guys, and it is also retails for rupees around 1000 now. When I bought, they are in discount for 799 rupees. And you will get the vision board, that is what you are going to do, what you want to plan to do in this year. And the goals on the next page, 2021 goals like personal, travel, world of the year and more, finance, career, etc. So it makes you think about the situations and you can fill them easily. I think that's a great thought behind it. And here it is, this year I will, and all that stuff. And my year in Polaroids in the next page. You can stick the different occasions which you are happy, and then stick to the, so that they make memories. And this is 21 things to do before 2021, and you will get calendars, mini calendars for every month. And this is the month of January. This is how this look like, and every month has a quotation and a postcard. And you can, after that, you can also use this postcard for, you can keep it or you can use it as a postcard too, and a letter by yourself, and a calendar again to fill in the dates and birthdays, special days like that. And you will get a more spacious for each and every day, so you can plan. If you have a plans, you can write in details in these pages. So yeah, this is how it looks like. At the end of the month, you can see expense tracker, that is आप कितने खर्च किया है, कितना सेव किया है, वो सब आप लिख सकते हो, वो सब आप मेंटेन कर सकते हो. और यह है हैबिट ट्रैकर. अगेन यू कैन customize to 6 habits you can keep in line. And this is the end of the month. You can see all this. Did you accomplish the goals you had set for this month? What can you do differently next month? So like that. So you will get the glimpse of what you have done the last month, and did you achieve the goals or not. So this is how the planner looks like every month, and every month is color coded itself. Like, and every month has a quotation. Thoughts are not facts, don't believe everything you think. Yeah. And this is the purple color. The March is in purple color, and April in violet or pink color. And this is how the planner looks like. At the end of December is green color. And the end of December, they have a travel plan. You can plan wherever you, if you want to go anywhere. Just you have 6 travel planners. They have given 6 pages or 6 destinations you can reach, and you can add, and you won't miss if you follow these steps. You won't miss anything. Like, you can add packaging and destination, where you are going to do, what you are going to do, everything you can written down easily and can be accessible easily. So yeah, this is how the planner looks like, guys. And I forgot to show you that at the end of June, that is after the 6 months of the planner, it has, so this is the end of the planner. I forgot to show you. So, and you will get a pocket again in the end paper or in cardboard. So I forgot to show you that in the middle of June, after that, you will get a mid-year goals. अगर आपके गोल्स कुछ चेंज हुआ हो, आपके प्लान्स कुछ चेंज हुआ हो, और अगर आप अगेन आपके गोल्स को सेट करना चाहते हो, तो मिड ईयर प्लान में आप जाकर जुलाई से सेट कर सकते हो, वहाँ लिख सकते हो. So yeah, this is how the planner looks like. And so yeah, hope you like this video, guys. Hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.